Hi. Hi Jenin. Hi Quantum Skink. Hi Crazy Stewie. And hi Lane. How are all of your days going today? Hi Grok Games. Hi. So, I think today I'm gonna just take some time to go through my stream setup and kind of do house cleaning, just fixing up, tidying up here and there. How are my day? Well, how are my day? Well, go through your setup. Yes, we are indeed looking at Golang, because that's what I wanted to write my chatbot in, because I needed to learn it for work. And there's some stuff about it that I've wanted to clean up for a while. So, gonna do that, I think. Maybe. Music's a bit loud. Turn that down a bit. That's a bit quiet. There we go. But yeah, you can see there's like all these commands, so many of them, and there's 2 unaligned fields in that dictionary. Wait, what dictionary? Also, I don't know why. Oh, wait, is that showing me what function I'm in? The top of the minimap? The minimap. This one? Oh, what? Is that what you were talking about? That might have been it. They're aligned now. No more worries. And Mlem, yes. Heckin' Mlem. She's a heckin' cutie. I like her a bunch. Right. So some of the stuff I wanted to fix was like this. So I realized hard coding a Discord server link is probably not the best, especially if that link is bound to change. We saw a stew? There is a stew indeed. There's even a little frog too. So for this one, I think the reason why I initially did it this way, can I? Yeah, I can make you a bit bigger. The reason why I initially did it this way is because I wanted to have it be different for each channel. But then later, I made it so that you could have, like, you could register your own commands for each channel using the add command function. So I don't even need this anymore. Didn't realize how much of the commands are hard-coded. So you have that. I know, right? It is true. So yeah, for like this one, like, Enlin's not even using these themes anymore. So just like, goodbye, I think. And like, for this one, we'll just get rid of it. Nya and meow. Well, this can remain here. This should be hard coded. Yeah, theme only worked if the channel was Enlin's channel. Hi Pixar, how's your day going? So it wouldn't work on my channel. But yeah, we want the nya and the meow, because, you know. In fact, let's do something like this. Just to make it more cat. Hugs is good. Put your hair in a ponytail? The first few times in my life? Hell yes. I put my hair in a ponytail earlier today, or else it would have ended up in a bowl of ramen. Cause it was like dangling, and I knew if I tried to slurp that ramen, it would go in there. Can you try hug real quick? Hug. Line 380, 387. Message user name. Oh, why the heck? Yeah, why? Why would I? Why did I use either or? Doesn't use the display name of the channel? Message channel. Does channel have display name? It doesn't hot reload either. If that's what you're wondering. I could be using air or something to do hot reloading, but I'm not. Message channel. Message channel. So I might be rediscovering this code as well, because I wrote it last year sometime. So I don't really know what's going on. Let's see when was the last time. Sheesh, it's almost been a year since I started working on this. We definitely are on a journey. A journey of self-discovery. Why did past Nova do things the way she did? And did she get the help she needed? Let's see. Agnya Discord. Wait, what? Very close to the 1 year anniversary. I know, right? Hi, Retro Boy. How's your day going? So I'm pretty sure I can remove this. Right? Help string. If channel, well, we got rid of the theme, so we don't need to add that on. Oh. Miss the Ocarina of Time collabs? I do too. I hope Ashley's doing okay. I check in with her every now and again, and she seems good, but I miss her streams. But no pressure. If she'll come back and stream whenever she's ready. It's installed Ubuntu on a USB. Using it right now. Hell yes. Good to hear. Okay, these can stay. Those are, again, it's hard-coded, but like, you know, whatever. Soup. Testing the soup. People, I feel, would rather have soup incrementers, though. So maybe we should do an incrementer. Right? I feel like people miss that. Those will not stop giving you problems. Oh, is it allergy season? It's allergy season here. I've been sneezy and sniffly. Hard code harder. Yes. Oh, nose. Yeah, I guess for soup, let's just do the same that we were doing before. Kind of like full nuts, except soups. Dash soups. Message channel. So it'll be those soups. Each channel has their own soups. Maybe? No. Username. Let's do it by username. Not channel soups. Or I guess, do we want user soups? Or do we want channel soups? Or do we do... Okay, hold on. Maybe let's do it across all the channels upon which Nova Server Bot resides. Because we can... Like, adding an incrementer is easy. We've already got the code for that down there somewhere. But that's just an incrementer for a channel. No, I think we do want personalized soups. Because that's what it was like way back in the day.
Meow.
Hi, New Joker. How's your day going? Going for the uke. I see you. Soup, mama. Yes. Much soup.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do by username.
Yeah.
Oh, I still need to fix the library. We'll do that. We're doing that today. We're fixing the overlay stuff today. Shared across channels. So could do that. Per username per channel. Could do that as well. That would not be that difficult. We would just do message channel plus dash plus message username dash soups. Hi, Medusa Skirt. How's your day going? It's broke? Oh no. Fine. Bacon pizza in oven? Hell yes. So we want soup string. Gotta get some string in your soup. We'll format you like this. Wait a sec. Yawn string is stored as an int, I think. Just got your own pizza? Hell yeah. We had pizza the day before last too. I've got some leftover pizza. I actually really like cold pizza. Like cold pizza that sat in the fridge for a day or two. Super tasty. Installing Windows 10 to me up. Being very slow. Ah, that's understandable if it's going on a USB. No bacon, just cheese with ginger sprinkled on it. That sounds really good. Noodles, string noodles, yes. Doing good? Working on another long form song? Hell yes. Twitch client say. Let's do wait. Soup and get soup. No. Let's do just that. And then instead of testing the soup, we'll do has this many soups. Soups. Like that, I think. So, we say in this channel, this username has that many soups. And then, of course, we should probably have another case for eat soup. And that'll be, I wonder if there's a decrement. I think it's just Decar. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Eats a soup. Oops. Soup. And has soups left. Hi, Flat Fox. How's your day going? Eats a soup and has that many soups left. Okay. Good enough. We're gonna keep this around for legacy reasons. That's good. I like that. Full frog needs to stay. Pronouns is good. Also up here with soup, should also add eat soup. Okay. Watch some high school baseball and softball. Doubleheader. Home team won both. Nice. Foot soup. No. Don't put your foot in soup. Probably. I'm sure there's some outlier reason why putting your foot in soup might be a good idea. But in general, I feel like probably don't put your foot in soup. Probably not. Ferrets are energetic and they call Tim out to lick their foot. Aww. Lick, lick. Lum, lum. Alright. Soup, soup. Nut, nut. Lark, full, frog, pronouns. Oh. I feel like... Yeah, I wanted to add... Set your own pronouns at this. Doohoo! Hi, Doohoo! Well, 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 if it isn't a Doohoo. Doohoo wagon, yes. Get pronouns. Wait, hold on. Wait, did I? Hold up. Did I implement this? Oh, sheesh, I did. I had no idea that I could, like, retrieve the pronoun information. That's actually kind of useful. I didn't realize that I could do that. Thanks, Past Nova. It handles nothing? It does. I had a feeling that most people wouldn't have set their pronouns, so had to take that into account. Okay, so is that actually in the command list? Gosh, I have so many. Potato even. It's not in there. Freb, hi Freb. Freb, did you want to hop on? Hoi. Here, I'll do this. There we go. Just if you want to. Or those of you who know, if you know, you know. Did I... Where was I? Right, I was going to add it to the list. Pronouns, username. Yeah. Please do if you feel like it. Then I think got carried away with stuff and didn't notice the time. Same sorta. And by stuff, I mean spent a lot of the day lying in bed going through Discord. It was one of those kind of days. Also, for now at least, I think Lane is also using this chatbot. There we go. Then after that, need to do. Okay, we got pat, hugs. I think should be fine now that we're doing display name. Or it was the pat that wasn't using display name. It's a sock. Oh my. Wait. Yar sock? That's the pirate software. Why is there a sock emote? I must have missed it. Hugs. Yep. Meow meow. Sakma. Oh my. Let's see. Adding commands works. Removing commands works. Increment. Reset increment. I should probably. I don't think I have this documented or in the help string. Add command. Remove. Reset. Increment. Wait. Increment? Is that how I have it? Reset incrementer. Why would I have the long form of that in there when I know that I'm just going to use the short form? Democracy? Oh my. Is that the whole Helldivers thing? I completely missed that game, and then there was all sorts of drama. And I missed most of that too. Hi Yusu, how's your day going? Almost resolved? Good to hear. Democracy won. Hell yes. I didn't even have to think about it then. Waiting on Steam page update? Nice. Huh? It's a frab. Let's see. We'll put the frab right here.
Oh.
So I can keep an eye on you.
I need to be kept an eye on.
Yes.
Okay. I'll try not to misbehave.
Good. Or I could put you here and I could like squimsh you. I'll hold a little freb in my hands.
Wow, 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 wow.
But yeah, Freb, how's your day going?
It's okay. It's okay.
Nice.
It's, I went to the circus today.
Hell yes.
It was very cool. It's kind of worrying in places.
Oh no.
It was all very impressive. But it's like, I feel like it's one of those things that when you go to when you're younger, you're like, oh, this is really cool. Or like when you see it done on TV, it's like, oh yeah, no, that's cool. And then you see people do that sort of thing in real life, you're like, no, this is really dangerous.
Yes, very much so.
Like, there was a guy, they had a strongman there, and he had a 40-kilo bowling ball that he put on the end of basically what could be described as a broomstick, balanced that on his chin, and then climbed up 2 ladders. I know, it's just like, this is really impressive. It's like, If that falls off,
Yep. There goes some teeth. And like your jaw, like all of
yeah,
it.
a lot of it, yeah. But it was very, very impressive. But they finished the whole thing up with it was like a big metal caged like sphere, and they rode bikes around the inside of it, like
Oh yeah.
but they got 3 people in it, in something that must have been, I don't know, like 20 foot across.
Yes.
It's insane.
It is. It really is. Oh, I
And then
want to go to the circus.
halfway through, the 2 parts of the sphere like detached, and so there was like 2 bikes literally like in the top of this sphere, just being like held up by physics. It's like this is crazy. It's very cool though.
Yeah, it is. It is amazing what, like, I'm gonna say human perseverance is capable of.
Yes. And practice.
Yeah, the last I don't know if you could even count it as a circus, but the last performance like that I went to were a few Cirque du Soleil shows over in Vegas, and holy flip was that breathtaking. Just like even the human aspect of it is one thing, but like the engineering required to make those things even possible.
It's crazy.
Like there was one that was it's called O, and it's like a water themed one, and the stage changes over time to have like different stuff be possible. Like at one point the roof opens up to reveal like an even higher diving board that extends like just unimaginable heights up in the air. And
That's mad.
I feel like the pool below like had people like standing, like it was like knee deep water, right? But there had to be like this little hole in the middle or something for the diver to dive into, because they dove amidst like all these people like dancing and splashing and stuff, and it was just, oh, it was wild.
It's very cool.
I had a friend in university who was training to be a professional acrobat. Hydrate? Will do. Thanks, Exo. Also, Exo, how's your day going? I saw you streaming, doing a bunch of sound work. Kind of eldritch pool dimension you talking about? I don't know. I don't know at all. Also, hi Meatloaf. How's your day going? Been pretty eepy? Sounds like everybody's been eepy lately.
Eep.
Much eep. So I might have forgotten how to build this. Is it just go build this?
You ask it nicely.
I think I might have done it. I think I did it.
You need slash please on the end.
Please. Whoa. New quest.
You should
thanks
make
to
a
the
compiler.
reset, Zombie.
They should make a compiler that if you're polite to it, it compiles faster.
I mean, that's what I'd do.
I'm not gonna lie. I always say please and thank you to my Google Hub, just in case. Just in
Please.
case when the robots take over,
Yes. Is this the right one? I think this is the right one. Maybe. Meatloaf sleepy as hell? Understandable. Like a Nova stream? Thanks, Pixar. Hi, Vile Offspring. Go build, please. Yes. Alias, please, to pseudo? That's actually kind of a good idea. Said thank you to ATMs and I still use cash. I actually, I hardly ever use cash. But a few weeks ago, when we went to the anime convention, it was like an actual opportunity to use cash. It felt kind of nice, actually. It's like, here, have these monies. They're shaped like paper. Have them and give me your art, please. Thanks for the head pat, Crazy Stewie. I wonder, did it work? Maybe? Add command. I don't know if that worked. Too many commands now. Must have got split. Understandable. Pronouns is there now. Unable to find is there now. Hell yeah. Well. Crazy Stewie has -1 soups. Soup debt. Crazy Stewie owes soup. So, about that help message. Soup. Underflow the soup? That would take a while.
How much soup do you have to consume before it overflows?
I damn near did tonight. we had so much leftover ramen and like homemade ramen. So it's like I don't want to just get rid of it. And we made like 8 marinated soft-boiled eggs to put in it. So we each had 4 and like a ton of ramen plus a lot of eggs. That's a lot of food.
2.1 billion soups.
So many soups. Max soup. Final Fantasy 1 character in a speed. Those speed runs. They were super fun. How do you make ramen eggs? Is it hard? Here's what I do. Okay. I use a third of a cup of water, 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, tamari if you can get it, but I can't get it, and then 4 tablespoons of mirin. Or you could just use rice vinegar if you can't find mirin. And then you soft boil the eggs. So to do that, you boil water, and then once it's to a rapid boil, you put the eggs in for 6 minutes. And then you take them out and put them into an ice bath for like 15 or 20 minutes. Usually I just wait till the ice melts. And then you peel them and put them in the marinade and put them in the fridge for at least 1 hour, or a day or 2 if you really want them to soak up the flavor. They're so good.
That does sound pretty tasty.
Consume the soup to enhance the squish. I'm trying. Lord knows I'm trying. Perfectly balanced. 0 soups. Hardest part is removing the shell. That is not fun. I always make like more eggs than I think I'm gonna need because I know I'm gonna screw up some eggs. And this last time, I only screwed up like 1 egg, and it was only like sort of screwed up. Like it still worked. So we had a lot of eggs to eat. Figured the marinade was too complicated. Nope, super simple. Just water, soy sauce, and mirin, or at least what I use. When I screw up an egg, I had the evidence for eating it. Yep, same. I will grab the salt shaker, sprinkle some salt on it, heckin' chomp. It's all you gotta do. Gotta chomp chomp. Chomp the freb. Chomp.
No.
Gonna pop the freb. Ew.
That's what happens.
Anywho.
That's what happens if you bite me too hard. I'll pop.
Ew. Good to know. Noted. Really just like eating straight soft-boiled eggs. Feels like a very symbolically dense meal. Doing a book could be a metaphor. Ayo. How did we get here? Listen, it just happens.
We didn't get here. We've always been here. We didn't left.
This is true. we've always been here, but now we're just like vibing with it.
Yeah. No one's made any effort to leave here.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's see. Oh, that's right. I originally had it so that it would play a message when the system connected in Enlin's channel. That Enlin is a heckin' cutie. I think I might have to add that on again. There was another thing I wanted to change. There it is. I'm gonna change this to heart. Sparkle heart. There we go. Thanks. Thanks. Exactly. We're gonna do that. So we're gonna build it again. And then restart. And then, wait. Did it send a message in Enlin server? It did. Hell yes. So on Enlin's channel, it's got honk. It's a frib. It's a Stewie in there too. Enlin's a heckin' cutie. You all know it, but I just like to say it. A tornado warning? Oh no. Stay safe, Growth Games. Watching Chasers earlier? I'm not sure what that is. Alright, so there was another thing I wanted to maybe try and do, was to see during the shout out to check if someone was still streaming. And if so, then like maybe indicate what they're currently doing. So like instead of recently streaming, maybe currently streaming. So this would be get channel information for the Helix client. And then you're heckin' cute. So Helix, get channel info. No, here? Get channel information.
Is .q a valid domain?
.q? Like
.cute.
Oh, .cute.
Can you get nlin.cute?
Top level domains. I don't think so.
Sag.
Much Sag. I could get nlin.fun maybe. nlin.gay. Heckin'. Maybe. Yeah. Pretty heckin' gay.
I don't know. Sounds pretty sus to me.
Mm-hmm. Cat gay? Wait. This is one of those things I open over here.
Oh, isn't that Freya Holmer's site?
Oh yeah. That's amazing. Yeah, that is totally safe. She does a lot of game dev math stuff.
Yeah, Freya's great. You should register nlin.fan and it should just redirect to your channel.
Yes, that would actually make a lot of sense. I am a fan of nlin. And then Nova seemed kind of cute and gay. Little bit. Little gay. Kind of a lot, actually. Yes. Alright, so what information do we get from this endpoint? Does it delay?
Oh, there's some really good domain names. nlin.kitchen.
We do spend a lot of time in the kitchen. Almost too much, actually. I mean, it's worth it though. Enlin and I make some tasty heckin' food. We might have bought too much food lately though.
If you eat it all, then it's not too much.
I mean, fair point. Y'all like to be cooking up stuff? Hell yes. Oh, I got a thing recently that I'm kind of excited to try. Thanks for the lurk, Exo. There is chocolate flavored hummus. I want to try it. I have no idea what to expect.
I'm not sure what I think about that.
I don't know what I think about it either, but I'm going to eat it. You can be damn sure I'm putting that in my mouth.
Nova's not sure about this, so she puts it in her mouth just in case.
Yeah, you gotta. Hi, Eldon. Yeah, my week's off to a not too bad of a start. I don't know if any of this is gonna
And then
help.
coffee.
Oh, that's actually really good. Hold on. Wait, name cheap. And then .coffee. Hell yeah. There's Enlin.cafe too. Oh, you know what I kind of want? Kotatsu Cafe. Registered last year. Damn it. Well, never mind. We can get Enlin Cafe though, and Enlin Coffee. Dessert hummus seems so wrong and so right at the same time. I know, right? But like, here's the thing. Chocolate goes good with almost everything. Like, it goes good on all kinds of different sweets and desserts and stuff. But it also goes good like on potato chips. It goes good on like meat dishes. It goes good in curry. Like, you could put it almost anywhere.
Like your mouth.
Yeah, we could put it in Freb's mouth. Exactly.
Nom nom.
Hi, Meta Knight. How's your day going?
I skim read that, Eldon, as I try a chocolate human.
Hey, oh. Endlin and I were watching that Japanese game show with, like, is it candy or
With
not?
chocolate humans.
Well, it's just like they got to try different stuff from around the set, like around the stage, and like some of it's chocolate. Like they'll like bite a shoe or whatever, and it's like, is that a real shoe or is it a chocolate shoe?
That sounds amazing.
And more often than not, it's candy. It's chocolate.
That sounds pretty brilliant.
Yeah, Meta Knight. There's the one where the guy bites like a door handle, and it's like, yep, that's just heckin' candy. Speaking of hummus and domains, hummus.name. Great website. Hummus.name. What is that?
This is a very Web 2.0.
Except
Web
it's
1.0.
except it's like only what 4 or 5 years ago?
Oh, wasn't.
Wait, no, the latest update was like a few days ago. Or the last comment.
Oh, this makes me want to go back to my NeoCities account.
Honestly though, I've been thinking about making a website, but just like old school as hell, like straight up HTML, like
Yeah.
just using iframes and stuff. Or just like even just frames, just using HTML frames.
You have seen the US cities, haven't you?
NeoCities? Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's so good. Just every website here is just brilliant.
Should have a website jam. Ah, okay, Meatloaf. That is a good idea. Like, no joke, I am into this. Make the most liminal heckin' website you can. Late 90s, mid 2000s. Yes. Yes.
And they should all be part of a web ring.
Yes. That's exactly what I was just going to say. Fuck yes. Web ring jam. Liminal web ring jam.
Is that this year's Chill Vibes Jam?
I think so, if not sooner. I kind of want this to be a thing like in the next month or two. I am like ridiculously hyped on this idea. Flash and Java applets. Yeah. We'll have to compensate for that. I'm thinking like I don't know, I might throw some Godot on it. Everything from Angel Fire to GeoCities to the early highly customizable blog spaces, MySpace, Zanga, LiveJournal, heckin', what other ones were there? Shoot. MySpace, Zanga, LiveJournal,
GeoCities.
GeoCities. Oh, there's another one right on the tip of my tongue. Elfwood for like art stuff. Shoot, it was just like Zanga. Well, it's not coming to me. But yeah. God, I remember I had a Zanga. Services like, or, yeah, sir. Looks like Zanga. No. LiveJournal. Yeah, LiveJournal was the main alternative. What other ones were there? Defunct blogging platforms. Yeah, not thinking of it. Tripod.com. Might even be able to log in and update it. Hell yeah. Yeah, I am super hyped on this idea actually. So I wonder how people can figure out if a stream is currently live. There's gotta be a way to do it, right? Very 1997 looking site. Hell yes. Best part is that for non-self-hosted inclined, just use NeoCities? Yes. Could very well do that. Yeah, I might actually like I might make I don't know, I might make a thing for this. I might like start gathering some information because this idea sounds really fun. Usually I tell because Twitch starts blasting ads in full volume. Oh no. One of the rules I think is going to be no ads unless they're like fake ads. Also, probably probably no NSFW stuff unless you like clearly mark it as NSFW, in which case it might be like a separate web ring, and that might just be like a, I don't know, a spicy Discord session where we look at those. Shoot the duck to win a free iPad. Oh my god. I remember those.
Need a visitor counter as well.
Yes. Oh my god. I had a client in the, like, not, it wasn't that long ago, who was just absolutely adamant that they wanted a visitor counter. And like, I went through everything I could to explain to them how that was not helpful at all. And if anything, it was going to like delegitimize their service. But, you know, I can only argue with a client so much before it's like, well, I do know how to do this, so we're gonna do it. Just 249 more views to the next caravan. Tripod is free hosting from Legos. Every time I think to go check my site, I'm shocked to see that it's still up. Hell yes. Not like ban and carry. What? That sounds familiar. Yeah, the milestone thingy. I sort of remember that. 10K giveaway thing? Hell yeah. I feel like I remember... Yeah. I remember... Yeah. And hydrate. Will do. And stretch. I need to stretch more often. Where is the library? That we're gonna fix that tonight, today, on stream, live on stream. Wait. I'm gonna go back up here. I don't know if there is anything that like lets you know if a streamer is live or not. The search one does?
Oh, there's a get streams. There's a get streams call you can make.
Get streams?
Here you go. I'll pop it in chat. There you go. And you can feed it a string of user IDs. So if it's only a single user ID, you can feed it up to 100 user IDs, and it will return information about their stream. And one of the options is if it's live or not.
Type.
So yeah. So presumably you can feed live into there, and it will only give a response if the stream is live, I guess.
Everyone always asks where is the library, but no one asks how is the library. Yes, Pat Books.
Who is the library?
Who, indeed.
When is the library?
Tomorrow. If Nova won't fix it, then fix it, Freb. Yes.
No, this is all web stuff. It sounds very, very complicated to me.
Much complicated. Thanks for the follow, Draki. I hope you enjoy it here.
Yeah, I don't think you can actively get, like, if like, I don't think there's an easy check to see if a channel is live or not. I think you have to grab the channel and there is some metadata in there which will say whether it's live or not.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure that's how you're going to have to do it. I did see someone somewhere... you can make a request to a channel name and the return will have is live broadcast as one of the return parameters, apparently.
Oh.
Hang on. So you might not even need to use the API.
Whoops. Whoop. Oh, I see.
If all you want is to do a quick live check, that might be the easiest way of doing it.
But would that get...
I'm not sure what else you'll get with that, though.
Yeah, that would get, like, all the things, I think. Which might be a bit much. Hi, Elwood. How's your day going? Stream setup stuff? Oh, Elwood, there are plenty of third-party stuff to do all of the things that I'm doing. I just want to try and make it so that as much of my stream as possible is using stuff that's made by friends. Hi, Kiri. Thanks for the resub.
It's a Kiri.
And thanks, Dracky. Yeah, I think the get streams is probably the route I'd want to go.
I'm gonna do this because I can.
Hell yeah. I need to start waking up earlier and keep missing Kiri's art streams because my sleep schedule's borked again.
If I'm asleep when Kiri's streaming, then there is a problem. But I have very much overslept if that's the case.
Yeah, I very much overslept. Had the printer printing? Hell yes, I saw the page. Or the set of pages that were framed with the one page.
Yeah. I saw a printer yesterday. I wasn't quite sure what was going on. I was lurking.
From what I understand, Kiri has an older printer that she's like hooked up to actually work with Stream, like Redeems, I think.
Okay, that's pretty amazing.
And
is it an old dot matrix?
I'm not sure.
I love old dot matrix printers. I remember having super old. It is an old dot matrix. I love those ones with the tear off tab margins on the side of the paper that you had to run through.
Mm-hmm.
And you'd normally get them in triplicate because printing multiple pages was super slow and expensive.
Hi, Kaboosaboos. Yeah, Elwood, highly recommend Kiri, Expired Popsicle. She does really comfy streams. Redeem channel points, send your message to the printer? Hell yeah. That's the kind of stuff that's like way above and beyond. Like the kind of quality that it's difficult to come by. But on Kiri's stream, you can see it. List? Wait. How do you... Wait. User ID. Users that are broadcasting. Okay. That shouldn't be too difficult. So, get channel information. Oh, wait. I have to remember how the Helix client. So a lot of this is me rediscovering what I did last year and using this Helix client library. I should go here. Swoosh.
You not want to be using the new event sub stuff?
I mean, maybe? I don't know.
I mean, it only took them until February this year to add a chat message response to the event sub. They're really well supporting their API.
So...
It's such an overkill event. But it seems like they just decided that, instead of actually adding all of the various API calls that would be useful, we're just going to add one generic message event that sends the message and every single piece of metadata you could possibly need for it, and then you can just do what you want with it on your end.
Later, Crazy Tree. Hope you have a good sleep. Yeah.
Have good sleeps, dude.
Helix. Where? Hold on. Are we not able... Get channel information. Add get channel information. Why can't I just search the code? I have to be logged in? Gross.
You need to link your PSN account.
Oh my...
Yes!
Pretty much. Do you ever eat dinner and then realize it wasn't enough, so you start planning second dinner? I have trouble eating first dinner. I need to learn how to eat more.
Just stick it in your mouth.
Hey, yo. Excuse me. Hi Dylan, how's your day going? So I've logged in off screen so that I can search for the thing, which is this. I just want to see where this is. Okay.
Where are you?
Where are you?
Tell me.
Now, the question is there a get streams? I believe there is.
It's a yuk.
Hi, Luke.
Hi. I was muted. I said a thing, but I
Aw.
was muted.
Hey, yuk.
Hi.
Hi. Heckin'
It's a
cutie.
free Bandanove.
How's you doing?
I'm alright, thank you. A friend pointed me to a thing that they're using. Oh, I know this isn't even what they're using, but a thing. Wait, I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about it on Nova's.
I mean, as long as you and your friend are okay with it being talked about, I don't mind. You can talk about whatever you want
it's more
to.
the subject being to do with machine learning and stuff.
Oh, it's whatever. I know you're super interested in it, and I know you're not using it for like malicious purposes.
Yeah. I wanted to, for a little while I've been toying with the idea of having like an Ask RoboUke redeem by having like a small local thing running on my computer because I hate the idea of using stuff hosted elsewhere. Yeah, so you can just like, ask a thing to RoboUke and it'll respond with like it'll speak a response back instead of you just reading your message.
GPT.
Yeah, but this isn't going to be ChatGPT. It's just a locally running model. And a friend showed me a thing. Actually, it's like a project that came from the thing that I used to use, but I think actually they just renamed it and continued working on it. It used to be called Cobalt AI. Now it's called Cobalt CPP. But anyway, TLDR, I got it running and it's extremely fast locally. And yeah. So and this actually works, and it like exposes like a local web server thing in the same way that the voice synthesis thing works. Unity just sends it like a web request and it generates the voice. This one you can send like a web request and it generates a response. And yeah, so this might actually be a thing. But I was gonna make it RoboUke, but then I thought, how do I describe, in like a prompt what the hell RoboUke is? And I found it much easier to describe what a longuke is, so I might have it talk to a longuke instead. And some of the responses it's giving are amazing.
I love that.
Like I'm using a model that was specifically trained to work better at following prompts rather than to just do like sentence completion stuff.
I want to talk to the longuke.
Yeah, I've tried to make it so she just gives, so she's like super innocent, doesn't know like memes or pop culture, and knows that it's just like a little derpy, harmless worm-like creature, and responds with very limited English sounds, but tries its best, basically.
Just ask longuke a question. She's just like, oh no, I'm just a worm.
Aww.
I'll say something right now. I'll type it and say the response.
Oh, shall I ask longuke?
Right, I'm gonna do what Nuge said. Wait, I need execute. Done. It responded with meow meow.
Meow meow.
It's like, it's so fast. It's like less than a second to interpret the prompt and respond to it. But it's probably gonna be... Well, I don't know actually. This is in power saver mode. So it might be faster when I'm streaming because I don't usually stream in power saver mode.
Ask it how long a longuke is.
How long is a long... Long like tail wiggle.
Oh my god, this is going to be adorable.
It's so cute.
Hell yes.
Also, hi Lane and Doohoo and Popsicle and Meatloaf and everybody that I'm missing. Nuge and Zai. It also responds to like, I also was like stress testing a little bit with some other stuff that I thought maybe people who redeem it might do, which is not actually asking questions, but like throwing cheese at it, and it made me feel bad.
Aw.
Its response.
What is a long Uke's favourite cheese?
What is a long Uke's favorite cheese? Long Uke like yummy cheese.
Aw.
It's amazing.
So the yummy type, apparently.
Yeah. I mean, that checks out.
Asterisk Utes the Uke asterisk. No, like Uke scared.
Aw.
Now I feel bad.
How does the long Uke respond to head pats?
What is like asterisk head pads asterisk? Uke head pat Uke. Okay, that's a bit weird. But it's adorable. I had to like go out of my way to make the responses like this because by default it's like trying to speak in a professional way. The same way as El Kalonk with the friend. I don't know if you know friend on El Kalonk's stream. I mean, he had to like go out of his way to try to make it like specifically don't use capital letters or punctuation. Just very simple stuff.
Mm-hmm.
That seems to be a way to guide it in the right way. I also use one of the things that it said at first as an example. So my prompt has a bunch of stuff, and then when asked, "Do you like cheese?" it simply responded, "Uke yummy cheese." When asked your
Aw.
prompt, it simply responded in a few words, speech mark, and then it completes the rest of that sentence. So I can just make it Unity read up until the next speech mark, and like the quote, and just send that to the speech, I guess. I did say something about squeezing for spicy cheese as well.
Oh no.
But I feel bad.
What does the long Uke think of the current economic climate?
Oh my.
I don't know what to type. Economic climate Uke. I'm gonna do another one. Economy good? Uke no.
Oh.
And again, economic climate Uke. Sometimes it continues with like the continuation of the sentence past the quote. In this case, it continued with, "It's a lovely creature to have around, and it's always fun to find." As in continuing my, exposition about what a long Uke is after it finished the quote.
What happens if you send a long Uke a long Uke?
Wait, like, how do you mean? Like asterisk?
Well, yeah, like the emotes.
Oh, yeah. It's not gonna know anything about emotes. Let's try it then. Uke derp, Uke tail mid, Uke tail end. Uke tail mid end. Yeah, I might need to give it another example. The reason it keeps on putting the word Uke in there, I think, is because one of the examples is Uke yummy cheese.
What's long Uke's favourite Pokemon?
What's your favorite Pokemon? Loves Pikachu. Surprised, yeah.
Kiri wants to learn to do that stuff locally too. Nice. Welcome back, Archer Boy. Dark cute lore. Current economic climate. glad it's raining so I can pretend my face is wet from that and not from the tears hole. Too true.
Damn.
I'd kind of want to, I don't know. Like there's like this kind of AI stuff that seems really cute and it'd be fun to work on, but I'm worried that I've kind of taken like a pretty harsh stance against it, and I don't want to like, I don't know.
I think there's a difference between using it on your own training data, like that feels to me like a perfectly like acceptable way to use it. Like you know how it's being trained and what it's being used for.
Mm-hmm.
There's also a huge difference between using it for yourself and trying to commercialize it and sell it, which I really hate.
Yeah. I don't
You mean
know.
I'm not going to be able to subscribe to GPT and ask it all
yes,
of my
I think-
problems?
Yeah, I was.
Ask the long uke what I should have for lunch.
Oh, that's a good question.
It's probably going to say cheese because of the example.
I hope it does.
What? Okay, this is a weird response where my passing of the thingy actually would have failed.
Oh no, I broke the long uke.
Yeah, it put out some different formatting. I'm ready to change it. But it said, you like salad. Yuck delicious. Yuck healthy. Have salad.
That's too cute.
I love it.
I don't like the way it could be misunderstood to be suggesting that you eat it. By saying yuck delicious.
Oh my.
I guess I could, yeah, I could still.
What does a long uke taste like?
Meat tastes good. Meat rather than me. Like, she's innocent, okay? Don't. Maybe I should mention something about this as well. I tried playing around with on the El Clunk's stream. He has like a feed friend redeem. I think he had feed friend redeem before he had the talk to friend redeem actually. And you could just like enter a thing to feed friend in the prompts when you use the redeem. So I was like doing asterisk feeds long uke and apple, for example, and it responds with, oh hang on, I just pressed enter and fucked up the JSON. I was like,
Oh no.
Nommy apple num num.
Aww.
Yes.
It's different each
Wait.
time if I do it again. Crunchy yummy apple.
Okay. Did none of you wait? None of you.
Nerve.exe have stopped responding.
Well, sorry, none of you did the shout out, right? Did my chatbot actually successfully do a shout out?
Oh no, I did that.
Oh, you did that?
Aww.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
that's okay.
I won't do it next time.
No, please do.
All I have brought about is disappointment and sadness.
It's
I apologize.
No, it's fine.
I love it when it continues with like a little bit of extra exposition. One of the times I typed pat pat in asterisks. And it continued the sentence with bounce bounce. Then ended the quote and said, "It's very cute and funny."
What's his favourite colour?
Pink pretty colour. I mean, it's probably going to be random every time.
If it had a pet, what would it have, and what would it call it?
Pet dog Max. Okay, I'm going to need to tell you something about dogs and cats. The fact that I don't know actually. I don't think I am the creator of the long uke in the lore of the long uke. One of the times I said that I fed it an apple and it continued. I'm trying to find it. I'm scrolling up through like a long log history.
What happens if a long uke starts eating its own tail?
So, streams response, data, type. Data, type. This'll work. Oh, sorry, Elwood, I missed your comment above. With a few more doing it. Yeah. That's pretty yikes. Yeah. Hi, Scully. Yeah. So, I think I've almost figured this out using that get streams endpoint. Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll do this here. And then I hate to just redo a bunch of code, but whatever. They are currently...
I'd lost connection. I'm back.
Welcome back.
Hi, uke. Is that what happens if a long uke eats its own tail?
Oh my god, is it that long ago that I've been disconnected for?
Oh no.
Like it was timing out for a long time.
Maybe.
I think that was the last thing I asked you.
You didn't hear anything else I said after that?
No.
Mm-mm.
Oh my god.
Okay, so if a long uke eats its own tail, then it kills the internet, apparently.
Apparently. I was looking back at some past generations and where it ended the quote and then continued the description of the long uke. Like one of these times I typed pat pat and it responded with pat pat, end quote. In summary, it's a long uke that makes goofy noises and loves cheese. And there was a time when I fed it an apple. trying to find it.
Apple.
It took me so long to find it though. Its diet mostly consists of grass and small insects, apparently.
Aww.
Oh, there we go. Feeds the Yuke an apple, and it responds with, "Thank you, apple, good." End quote. But please don't feed it things it can choke on. Anyway, what happens if a long Yuke eats its own tail? Deflate, slide far. Okay, that's amazing. That's because I actually added to its description that when threatened it can deflate its tail to propel itself like a little jet to a safe hiding place.
That's amazing.
That is actually really good.
Long you chomping on a grasshopper. Oh my gosh, dude.
Is that going to be one of your hats? What can a long nuke choke on, I wonder? What can a long nuke choke on? Long nuke. Long nuke choke air.
Oh no.
Uh,
Poor long uke.
Actually, too real though. I manage to choke on air sometimes.
Yeah, that checks out.
There we
It's like when you choke on your own spit for a little bit, and it's just like, this is how it ends.
5 minutes.
That's it. This is like, this is how I go.
Yeah. It's like breathes in slightly too quickly. Spends the next 5 to 10 minutes just like coughing. How did we evolve this far? I'm gonna say, what must the factory do? Must make things.
Grow. That's what it must do.
That's the real one. What is nova-liminal coding? Question mark.
That's a
Coding
good
make
question.
computer do things.
True.
I'm gonna try switching to a smaller model because this one is eating 16 out of 24 gigabytes.
Sheesh, that's a lot.
Yeah, this is a much bigger model than I need for this job, I think. There isn't actually like a smaller model by parameter count of this version. I don't know, whatever. I like how this is behaving, so I was using it. But there are versions quantized to a fewer number of bits per parameter, so they would still use less memory. This is 13 billion parameters, 8 bits. I'm gonna try 5 bits. Honestly, it should be fine for such a thing. Honestly, flipping GPT-2 would probably be fine. Which is like years old at this point.
Oh my gosh. I forgot to build. That's why it wasn't working.
No.
That'll do it.
Yep.
What if I just type random C code?
Yeah, what if you feed it hello world?
The entire thing.
Yes. Okay. Then
Hash include io.h. I can't really put new lines. Oh boy, I don't need them. I'll put semicolon. Void main print
Wow.
backslash speech mark hello world close semicolon and brace. Okay. I think that's a hello world. Then responded with hash include main print hello world. Okay, fair enough. But without much grammar.
Hi, Red Eyes. How's your day going?
Do it again. I did it again and it said no understand words. Hi, Red Eyes.
I think if I do it like this, it'll probably work. If I get the length of the streams. Because this will be empty. If the length is greater than 0. Alright, let's try this again. Shouting out the doohoo and it broke.
That's interesting.
226. Oh, my heckin' print line.
I wrote if then larger than 0 open brace and it responded with if longer. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing silly stuff now.
Oops. That is not a user. You do as much silly stuff as you want to. That's what we're here for.
If you could say something to a dragon lady named Doohoo, what would you say? Hi Doohoo, you nice. I might remove a part of this prompt which... No, you know, I think some of the charm comes from how short the response is. If I remove a thing that tries to limit the words, then it says... Hello Doohoo, nice to meet you. You look strong and pretty.
Aww.
I feel like I like the smaller ones though. I feel like they're more canonical. Hello Doohoo, I am Yuke, a long Yuke. You look strong and majestic. Is there something... And then I cut it off because it's 25 tokens long.
Title. Okay. So this would be... Title string is this. Iron West, how's your day going?
Hi Doohoo friend. If you could say something to a robotic cat girl named Neverliminal,
I'm not a robot.
who says she is not a robot, what would you say? Okay. Hello, Neverliminal friend.
Aww.
If I remove the thing that says in a few words. Hi, Neverliminal. Are you a robot or not a robot? It's okay to be whatever you are.
Aww. Hell yes. Heart's long uke.
Good old long uke. Everybody needs a long uke.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of like what it says when the prompts are longer, but I don't think it suits a long uke. It's too coherent. It's just like she's not derpy enough. You look at her, the derpy face. That's not what a derpy face would say.
Not quite derpy enough.
I mean, maybe for Robo-Yuki it would be okay. Yeah, for Robo-Yuki it would be alright. Pat Rinwest.
Much pets.
I'm gonna try again soon. I haven't been sleeping well the last few days at all.
Same.
No.
I feel like everybody's been super sleepy lately.
Yeah.
Wonder if it's like change in the weather and stuff. Allergy season rolling in.
I mean, maybe. I've been quite lucky with mine so far, given the time of year.
That's good to
Only a
hear.
matter of time, though. Oh, Rinwest. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna type. Licks the long ukes ale. Not like lick uke tail. See, that is so much. That is long ukish.
Hmm.
If I remove the limit. What the fuck? Oh, you feel funny now. I thought it said you feel funny, and I was like, wait, what? I misread it. Alright. Shut this down. I'm changing to a small model. Which is still quite big, but less.
All right. I think I've got the chatbot to a somewhat decent point now. I
Yay.
just remembered I had like a separate feature in here to spawn off a separate go routine or a different worker thing to do an actual shout out. But the permissions that you need to give it, like the user key that it has to have, is really tricky to work with. And I'm just not gonna. I'm gonna do a manual shout out. I can take that effort. But
Yeah, it's now using 12 gigs instead of 16. I'm giving it Meatloaf's prompt. Meatloaf's text as a prompt. Sell tails money.
Aww. So are you? I'm sorry if you already explained it. My brain's kind of elsewhere. So you're gonna take these responses, and were you gonna feed them through the artificial voice thingy?
I might do that. If I do that, I'll probably make it play back on a different audio bus on Unity, one that doesn't make it sound like a robot. Maybe it just pitches up a bit and
Aw.
slows it down.
That'd be super cute.
I don't know. What I kind of want is to somehow be able to change the pitch so that the range of pitch is less. So like instead of, it's more monotone. I would like sell tails and money. Instead of like sell tails money. But that's not a simple thing to do. So I won't. Unless I... Oh my god. I could train a voice reading everything like the derpy uke myself.
Hell yeah.
That would take so much effort though. I don't even know what she should sound like.
I
I
feel.
like the way your bot patted your own head, no?
Listen, I'm gonna fix it.
Oh no. We lost a uke. We are ukent. Oh no. Oh, did Discord do a thing?
Oh no! Discord. Discordant.
Uke.
Welcome back, you.
Hi. I'm kind of curious how this would perform if I just go like really small. What if I do just 3 bits?
So.
They seem to recommend not going below 4 bits. The 5-bit one I'm using, they say very low quality loss recommended. 4 bits. Small balance quality. 3 bits. Very small, high quality loss. 2 bits. Smallest, significant quality loss, not recommended for most purposes.
This should work now. All right. Why is there 2 of them? There should not be 2 of them. Oh, the service is still running. Okay. Okay.
The other bot just wanted to give you head pats as well.
I suppose so.
Understandably.
No, you.
No, you.
There we go. Alright. I think the commands are all working now. Maybe. Oh, that's right. There's too many commands. It actually split it up into 2 messages. I'm surprised I made that work.
Good job.
Hi Vegito. Nope, I don't play Project Zomboid, sorry. Bones.
I played Project Zomboid for like 2 weeks obsessively.
Oh,
And the one thing I
nice.
distinctly remember from it was we bugged an oven in a house and it duplicated pancakes for us. So we had a magic pancake oven.
Hell yes.
And so we were safe. It's like you'd never have to go out and forage for food in a zombie apocalypse because the oven just gave us pancakes.
I should make pancakes.
On the off chance that your oven duplicates them.
Exactly. I had a dream sort of similar to that.
You a pancake and someone put you in the oven.
No, it was, so there was a series of short stories I was kind of toying with writing, about, so imagine time travel being possible, but like also bureaucratic. And in this universe, there's like time police and like time detectives, and like also time janitors. So like imagine time space as like an office building, right? If your building's being robbed, you'd call the police. If your building's on fire, you'd call the fire department. But if like someone puked on the 3rd floor, you'd probably call a janitor. So my series of short stories was going to be about one such janitor who like is called in to solve time problems and quandaries that are like not really that consequential. Like one of them was going to be not pancakes, but cheeseburgers being duplicated in like a weird time loop in some restaurant. And like this like cheeseburger machine just kept spitting out more cheeseburgers than the materials that it was put into it. And so this like budget Doctor Who time janitor person comes in and has to like solve the mystery of the cheeseburger duplicator. And in this particular short story, what was happening was the patrons were eating the cheeseburgers, but like something about it was causing them to like rewind in time, so they'd end up back in the machine. It's like nobody was actually getting to keep their cheeseburgers. And the result was going to be just like everybody got a refund.
It's like a sitcom version of Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs.
Maybe. Kinda.
Mysterious case of the duplicate hamburgers.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, I was going to have it be like, I don't know how many of you have read like the iRobot or Asimov's Robot series, where it's like basically a bunch of like small misadventures around solving robot mysteries. I was kind of going to have that format, with the overarching theme being like the protagonist, our time janitor. She was like trained to become like a time detective or whatever, but couldn't stomach the field work. And so basically just kind of got relegated to janitorial duties. So very overqualified. But you know, just kind of going about fixing time loops and stuff. Like, you know, the typical like college students accidentally create a time machine and all sorts of stuff goes haywire. And then she shows up and it's like, hey, so like we're gonna have to go through a series of really silly adventures to undo all of the things that you changed, because we can't have that. And if you don't comply, we're gonna have to call in the time police, and they're not very kind. So maybe if you could just, you know, come with me in my little ship over here, and tell me exactly what you did to everything. I don't know. I thought it was kind of fun to write out some notes for that. Never really went anywhere with it though. Maybe I should pick it up again.
Yeah, I think the world needs more overwriting.
Yes. I missed half of that because Discord, but yes.
Aw, thanks. And also sorry that Discord's being yikes.
Yeah, it's weird. I was in the call for hours on a different server, but yeah.
I wonder if it's something in here.
It could also just be the different Discord version I'm using. I'm using the Canary version, or PTB version for this.
I'm gonna
Canary.
try to change this down to 64 kilobits per second.
No, it's definitely not that. It's
No?
like I lose the entire connection to Discord. Like eventually, when it realizes that it's
Oh.
lost connection, the whole screen goes grey and it is reconnecting. And then
Not just the voice chat then.
no, definitely not.
Gotcha.
But thank you for offering. I don't
Oh.
think there's any problem with yours there.
Denari, if you want to, you could post, if you have the story anywhere, you could post it in the Discord. I'd for sure be interested to read what any of you wrote. Thanks, Doohoo. So, I think it's time to move on to the next project. You're like 8? Oh. I wonder. I don't think I have anything I wrote except for like I have this storage server that has just an absolute mess of files from who knows when. Goodness knows I've probably got some stuff saved in there.
Is it all of your erotic fan fiction?
Truth be told, I haven't actually written that much.
That much.
Not as much as you'd think. Meatloaf, if you want to share them, there is a spicy section of the Discord. That'd be a good place for it.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna restart Discord and see if it fixes.
Alright. Okay, everybody, while she's away, get ready to when she gets back, everybody tell Yuki how cute she is. Oh right, I wanted to go to so we're done with this. We're done with the
Yeah.
much nyan. Yuke, you're heckin' cute.
It's the cute Yuki.
Yes.
PlayStation.
The adorable Yuke.
It's a background. I know in light of recent stuff, it's probably not the best thing to have on there, but it's like my desktop it just happened to be in a series of desktop backgrounds. I'm trying to find this overlay system. Overlay system. There we go. Swoop. Willing to give me a pass? Thank you. Listen, I was a fan of PlayStation, not based on the nature of the company or the policies therein, but more so the variety of games that happen to be on that platform. And this wallpaper, my desktop wallpaper, just happened to be, it looks really neat. And so it's been with me for a while now. Okay. So I changed a whole bunch of stuff when I did that April Fool's ASMR stream to remove like any sort of sounds and stuff that would make the stream overlay like loud or whatever. And if I was smart and if I used get, I could just, undo the commit. But I'm not, and I don't. So that was a fun time. It really was. I had way more fun doing that than I thought I was going to. Speaking of, Yuke, I am super excited to hear what stuff you're gonna record.
Oh, thanks.
The one that you sent was really comfy.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, you've got that cool new mic, haven't you?
Yeah. And today, actually, the unfortunately named dead cat arrived. Which is like a very fluffy wind shield kind of thing
Oh, I think I know what you mean.
that makes it much less affected by wind.
I think it'd be easiest if I just found all instances of soundmanager.play. Okay. Cute hick. Wait, do I have a hick command? Nice. All right. Warm fuzzies. That actually is heck. I don't have heck. I probably should have heck, huh? What should heck do? Let's see. This goes back to that.
Nova has hiccupped
Hiccups.
42 times.
Time Janitor can make a really fun little indie game. I was thinking maybe like a visual novel might be kind of fun with like branching paths and stuff.
Direct you to novaheck.com.
Nova Heck. I could do actually. Wait, were you there earlier for the discussion about the 90s like website idea?
No.
Okay. I think it was Meatloaf who suggested it, and then Freb and I kind of just took off on it. So imagine like a game jam style thing, but instead of making games, we all make like late 90s, early 2000s looking websites for just like random stuff, and then we put them all in a web ring.
I didn't think I'd even need to try for this. It would just naturally be
I know, right?
the way it looks. Like, I'm not going to use anything other than Notepad, so that's naturally how it's going to look, probably.
Like I'm imagining
interesting,
like imagine if there was like a website dedicated to like long uke, and you'd have like these little long uke marquees going across.
Oh my god, that would be so cute.
It would be like a cursor, and it could chase the cursor around the page.
Yes.
It could be a little bit of cheese that just follows around.
Yeah, you could move the cheese with your cursor, and then like the uke that is like the long uke that is like a horizontal thing, like a header thingy, will slide along to the same horizontal position, like move towards it, like the Visual Studio Pets thing when you move the mouse pointer around.
Yes.
Visual Studio Code pad.
Jenin, the web ring is like, so back in the days between before like federated services like Mastodon or whatever, in order to recommend content on your website, you could be a part of a thing known as a web ring, where traditionally, thanks for the resub, Enlin.
It's an Adlin.
Where like traditionally in the web ring, you would have a link to a previous and a next website, or just like a list of websites that are from the group that you're in. Personally, I prefer the list of websites, just because it's easier then. It'd be so cute. Hell yeah. I see Enlin spinning. Let's see. Heartbeat. Water bottle. But yeah, I was thinking that'd be really fun to just make a bunch of silly and cute websites for like nothing necessarily in particular. But like I'd want to make like
It might be, yeah.
I think it'd be fun to make like a liminal website with just like sort of like alternate reality game aesthetics to it, where it's like, I don't know, just a whole bunch of like silly and strange content. Nothing creepy, but just fun. Teach how to make websites? Totally isn't a selfish request. Listen, Enlin, we'll do it together. Another room just has a picture of Nova. The web rooms. Yes. One of the endpoints of this website. Just be a picture of me being Gremlin. Could this be an ARG? Could that be an ARG? Exactly. You don't know. It could be totally real. Maybe. Feel like, was that really all that I changed? I feel like that's still pretty loud.
Where is the library?
Ah, that is loud. So we need to go through. The library is a 30-minute walk from here? It is about, yeah. There is a library about 30 minutes. I feel like teaching Enlin webcode be a special kind of torture. Good way to torture you. Ayo. Cyberkai's emotes are too cute.
Oh, that squish one is so cute.
Mm-hmm.
It's amazing.
I like the way it's single fingers as well because the face is so small.
Yep.
That didn't sound anywhere near as cute as I hoped.
Aw.
I'm sorry, I won't do it again.
No. I request more. If you want to.
Okay. Downloading another model. Now we wait 8 minutes. They're all so big. This is a new smallest one that I'm trying, and it's still 4.5 gigabytes. In file size. It'll be like double that in VRAM usage.
Hmm.
I haven't tried this one before. The description says it was trained for ... purpose, which already makes me think that it's probably going to be fun. Apparently it's for like roleplay stuff.
Heyo.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, there's some very fun stuff. But probably shouldn't be saying it here, is it? Because then people might try to make my talk to long Euclidean get me banned on Twitch.
Oh, gotcha.
Where is the library?
Oh, it's still a little loud.
Pat them on them.
And then it's too cute.
Mm-hmm. Well, I don't know. I think she's about the right amount of.
She's going to become too cute.
Do not come.
That one. That one. That one. Oh, I didn't even test the Nyas.
Oh no. That's important.
Yeah. Heartbeat.
It's very funny. I just do the redeem and I very quickly hear it. Yep, from Nova over Discord.
Wait, did
And then a
I?
while later, I hear it. Exterminate.
It's an emblem.
Someone,
She's gonna exterminate us.
Only with the best intentions.
Pat the emblem.
The Daleks took away all emotions, but I do the opposite. I give only the fun.
Hell yeah, you do.
Where is the library?
Oh, that's much better.
I thought I could maybe come hang out before I fall asleep.
Yes, please. Also, thanks for the raid, you feed.
If
A Broad's Pod. Hi again, Meatloaf.
Meet again.
Wait, why are there two bots again? Oh, wait. And then we both did it. Okay. Phew. Yeah, thank you so much for the raid. How'd your stream go? Oh! Thanks for the resub, Denari. Yeah, Fweed, I was happy you were streaming because I was using you as a test to see, because now my this thing, the shout out thingy, will actually say if someone is currently streaming. And it'll also grab their stream title and put it in there.
Grab me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
New player abilities like Ninja Dash? Hell yes. Hi, A Squared. The keyboard is trans colors. Hell yes. Thank you for recognizing. Always happy to see you. Oh, also thanks for the follow, A Squared.
Oh, hi, Squid.
And thanks for the follow, Prods Pod. I hope you both enjoy it here. Alright, I think I've got... Wait, I didn't test the Nyas again. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, Infinite Rings.
Yeah.
Black Mace?
Yeah.
So I just saw the shout
Yeah.
out the next I did. That's cool. Black Mace is fun. So, friendly recommendation for Edmund to play it eventually.
Oh, thank you for the reminder.
Mhm.
Hold on, let me note this down.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Right over here on the left side is an Enman. She is my just roommate, partner that, does a lot of like really comfy coding streams. She's super cute. Then in the middle, there is Freb, who is starting to do a bunch of Godot stuff, which I'm really hyped about, and making a open source VTuber setup called Beepo Bits that everybody should go check out. That I should also go check out. Sorry, Freb. I will check it out. And then over on the right here, we've got Yuki. Does a lot of really neat stuff with like low-level tech and plays a lot of cool like racing games and like a synthwave-looking grapple hook game. And basically, if there's like random bits of tech, she probably knows about it and is kind of like, I don't know. Her streams are also super comfy. Highly recommend.
Yuki is like super smart.
No. I've been dossing around.
Mm-hmm.
I really want to do more, but my sleep's been so crap recently that
Pat.
I wouldn't mind working on it in private, but I don't think I would be able to manage the energy of a stream. And then I feel like I don't want to do it off stream because then, like, well, some people might want to see it.
Yeah, that feeling is all too real.
The cat girl VTuber programming section of Twitch. It is certainly a section that exists.
Yep.
Sounds oddly specific, but it definitely exists.
I know of 4. Who else is there?
For VTuber cat girls?
Yeah,
Which 4?
me, Yuki, Yafuin, Exo.
K10?
K10. I'm a potato.
Maisaka?
Yes.
Although I don't actually know if she's a cat girl, but she has very cute ears. Could possibly be a fox. Look at it.
Misaka has been doing a bunch of really cool Vulcan work lately.
Yeah, I thought that might be interesting to you.
Yeah. I will work in her streams.
The avatar is so goddamn cute.
It really is.
Whoa.
I was wondering, is Lua V Lucky, was she a cat girl? She's certainly a dev VTuber. She doesn't have
Okay.
anything archived. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe not a cat girl. Just dev VTuber. Sorry, I keep interrupting. Fuck, I'm muting.
No, it's okay.
No. Aww. Pats to the both of yous.
It's me having a really hard time telling when people are pausing to say their next word versus like they're done speaking.
Combined with me having verbal diarrhea. And never stopping.
No. You're both very appreciated.
No, you. But by far my favorite thing of finally having a 3D model is being able to shake my ears.
That's really cute. I don't remember how the physics on your ears is. Is it like stiff and springy or like really floppy?
Stiff and springy. Exclamation mark kick.
Oh. Alright, you Fweed. Hope you get some good food and stuff. Hi, Erend. Gotta do the thing.
Oh my god, this is the end of an era. Sorry, it's an era.
Get that. Save that.
Not very punny though.
And then put it back out. And hopefully.
Where is the library?
Okay. Try this model.
That works now.
How well does it be a long nuke and how little VRM does it use? Honestly, GPT-2 would probably work with it. I don't know how to use GPT-2 with this.
Also, I should have. Oh my gosh. Should have added. I should have meowed. Wait,
Who was that?
that was an Enlin being heckin' adorable.
Meow.
But I should have asked if any of you wanted to share your screens.
I don't know if it's wise. This could come out with anything while I'm testing. Don't want to get you in trouble.
I am probably okay with it, but
This one only uses 7 gigs. That's acceptable.
let's see.
I'm just currently waiting for World of Warcraft to install because Final Fantasy wouldn't let me throw money at it. I'll also watch looking at Steam because Steam won't let me throw money at it to buy Black Mesa.
Oh no, Enlin,
Oh my
Are-
god.
are you sure it's not a issue with your payment thingy?
Oh, the Final Fantasy thing's a known issue. I don't know what Steam is doing.
Oh no. Aaron gets excited.
And then if you could ask a long nuke something, what would you ask it?
How long does a long nuke have to bake before we can get cheese?
To bake before we can get cheese. Long yolk baked cheese, yummy yolk cheese. Says the long yolk. I'm not sure if this is working well or not. I'm gonna have to do a few more prompts. But congrats, that was the first prompt I gave to this model.
Oh my gosh. You all can thank Dude for that curse lore.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, right, I just reread the prompt and it does kind of look a little bit like you're asking the long yolk is doing some baking rather than the long yolk is being baked. Yeah, it could totally read that way as well. I think that's how I interpreted it.
I honestly like that version better.
Oh my. Wait. Color.
What the hell? This behaves weirdly.
Wait, where did that?
I'm not sure about this one.
What? Huh. I can't help it, it just happens. Oh my.
It started continuing a sentence afterwards again. And it looks like it was about to be rude. It continued with the description of the long yolk saying, "It's super cute and harmless, but beware that it can get as I was about to say annoying. And it cut off there in 25 seconds. I think it'll increase it slightly.
Are you training an LLM for
No,
all
I'm
you?
not training it. I'm just
Oh.
trying out a few with a prompt running locally. So yes, in the hope that I can make a... It was originally for like a talk to RoboUke redeem on my stream. Then I thought it would be easier to explain what a long uke is and make a talk to the long uke redeem.
Oh.
Oh,
So you're gonna have-
ludicrously fast. Sorry. This is
Uh-huh.
generated at 66 tokens per second. Holy crap. In power saver mode.
Oh, E squared, do you mean the music player? Yeah, I made it in Godot.
It looks so good. I love the glow.
Thank you.
I love how it can be transparent and blooming. That's really impressive to me.
Mm-hmm. That's only semi-transparent though. The semi-transparency helps a lot with the bloom. Let's see. I think the color. Oh, that's why. All of these values need to get doubled.
Sorry. Okay, can I read out the whole prompt that gets sent to it?
Sure.
And then I'll read what it sent back. So the whole prompt that I'm using is: a long uke is a small and harmless, derpy worm-like creature with no limbs, just a long fleshy tail that lets it slide along the ground slowly. When threatened, it can deflate its tail to propel itself like a little jet to a safe hiding place. It's very innocent and doesn't know any pop culture or memes. It can only make very limited English sounds, but it tries its best. For example, when asked, "Do you like cheese?" it simply responded, "Uke yummy cheese." When asked, and then your prompt, it simply responded in few words, open quote, and then it finishes that sentence. And it just now continued a sentence where I asked, feeds the long uke an apple, and it responded with, yummy, tasty apple uke.
Meow.
And then continued, like closed the quote and continued. It loves cheese, yogurt, and other dairy products. If you're trying to make a long uke, use the following
Where
ingredients.
is the
Fleshy
library?
tail, sliding across the floor, making farting sounds, hisses in fear. Because of the deflating, I'm sure.
Hi, cat.
It's cat.
Hey cat, if you wanted to say something to a long uke, what would you say? It could be like an action with asterisks, I guess.
I would say
Has
these.
had a cat.
It's cat. Hi, cat. How's the
Oh,
cat
it's
doing?
I'm EP. Hi.
Everybody's EP today.
It's freaking 4:41 a.m. Oh my god, I'm
No.
puking on
No,
Nova's
it's
boobs.
no, it's not. Don't be silly.
Squeezes the cat.
I'm puking on Nova's boobies.
Oh, adjusting back.
Oh no.
Peeking over cat.
Oh, I thought you said puking on.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Well,
I said I'm puking on Nova's boobies.
She is.
Oh,
Yeah,
because when you
because of
speak, it
the
changes.
rainbow puke.
No, hi, Ashqua. Hi, Ekcho.
Cat, the long uke responded, I not these, I uke.
Is that a new butt?
Yes, I'm kind of testing a thing that I might make it a redeem.
Tell
Trying
her
to make it not
she
use too
needs
much
to
fuel.
she needs to prepare for the cheese apocalypse that is coming her way.
Prepare for the cheese apocalypse that is coming your way. Uke cheese apocalypse, cheese yummy.
Okay, good, she's prepared.
Yeah, I might try.
Oh, the cheese apocalypse. Cat, do you have the cheese apocalypse art? I can show it on
Sure.
stream quick.
I'll put it on the chat.
When can I pay you for it so we can make stuff?
Whatever you want.
How much do I? Okay, I'm not gonna ask on stream.
$700 from a Monopoly set.
a Monopoly
No,
set? Oh, I see what you
Monopoly
mean.
money.
Monopoly money. I sent in chat.
Monopolma.
Monopoly.
Fred!
I didn't.
Fred, I'm broke, I can't buy the game. I'm broke again. It's in my wish list.
Oh no.
I was like, I buy, and Steam said, no, you can't buy. Stop buying. I said, okay.
Which game?
The one we're gonna stream together.
Good, it's so good. I'm so gonna use that in the DOS game.
I forgot the name. The one when you can make your own story and
oh,
stuff that you want to play on
Wilderness.
stream. Rubber Brush.
When-
Yeah, look,
when-
it's a yoke with a long yoke.
Seriously, check out Kat. She does amazing art.
And
She's
check
the
me
one
out, it's kinda rude.
who made my outfit too.
In your eyes.
And my eyes, the hard eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this one is close to being one of my favorite illustrations Cat has done.
Ah,
Don't
Yeah,
eat
it's
me.
amazing.
you know what it makes me think of? Hold on, I need to find it. I don't know. if
Oh
it's
yeah,
there.
yeah. I
You know what
I know,
what
I
I'm
know.
saying? Where is it? Where is it? Oh god damn it, where is it?
Wait, I think I know where it is. I might have it too.
Oh, if you have it, let's go.
Be under here. Oh, not that. That's something else. I can't show that on stream.
Yo.
She has drawn some very nice stuff.
Wait, what?
Oh, I thought Nova was looking at your art?
Yep, I am. But also, I think
Oh, okay.
I think this is what.
Yes! This is a masterpiece.
It's too good. Heckin' giant nova or tiny cat.
Oh,
Pocket cat.
just
Pocket cat.
freak she's my sleep demon paralysis. Like the cat's freaking realization phase is amazing.
It's
and
so good.
The ears going down as well.
Mhm.
Mm.
Oh, I
Yes,
found-
exactly as Squared. It's like she's right behind me, isn't she?
I found
She's
cat.
about to.
I found the other one too.
Oh, which one is Applegard?
I got the tail.
Yes, I remember this. I'm dabbing away.
And then she pulled the tail back.
Mhm.
It's like, people get your tail back here.
Supernova was a small cat. I'm not small. I'm just not big.
Yeah, you're not small. You're appropriately
Shush,
pocket-sized.
shush you. I'm your mama.
You
Give
can
me
crunch
respect.
on some crumbs.
Wait,
No.
Does this one have animation?
I don't eat crumbs. What the heck?
Oh, it does have animation.
Yes, it's a GIF.
Oh,
It's
that
like
must be an enormous one.
like cat's fever dream.
Yes. It's my sleep demon paralyzed. Oh, how do you say sleep demon paralysis? What? I don't know how to say it.
Yeah, sleep paralysis demon. That works.
Okay. I'm kind of dumb. It used to be in the name.
But yeah, cat does amazing work. Definitely go check her out.
Yeah, she also did my little avatar.
Yeah, I'm her mommy.
Yeah.
But I'm not laughing at that. Sorry.
Big Nova.
No, I'm laughing at. I typed picks up the long uke by her tail. And it said, "Oh no, don't pick me up, I'm not a balloon."
Don't blow the long you like a balloon. Yep, it's funny. The long you in the keys. Doohoo, hi!
I should probably go to bed.
Nah.
Batchma.
No? Okay.
Yeah, I don't think you should.
Can I do that?
Exterminate.
Yes, I can.
No!
No extermination? Do you see any new model? I saw the update. You can, from what I saw, Yugen did such an amazing job
Yes.
translating my art style to the 3D model. It's insanely good. I really, really love it. I haven't seen it completely done,
It's
but
amazing.
it's so good. I can't wait to see it in action. It's so cute.
Yugen did an absolutely phenomenal job.
Yeah. Yep. Once I get my life 2D, I'm gonna have to put money on my side to have Yugen make one for me so I can have my model on VR chat and Beat Saber.
Beep Saber.
My Saber.
So
Exclamation mark, yeah.
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 Oh my god, my brain is dumb because I can only hear Nova scrolling. And I'm like, Oh, well, you don't have music on your stream, and then I realized I'm not watching your. I mean, I am watching your stream, but I'm not.
Oh,
I'm not listening to it. You do have music on it. I just have the tab muted to not listen to my cringe voice and your
if
guys' voice.
you wanted the music, that's actually pretty easy to share. Let me.
It's okay. I was just being dumb.
There. Does the music come through this?
It does.
Nice. Hell yes.
Such a cool outlet. I can't talk.
Pat.
Such a cool overlay. Yeah, overlay.
Aw, thanks, Cat.
You made it yourself, I guess.
Yep, I'm fixing it
It's
up
really
right now.
Really cool. What the heck is?
I need to figure out why it's so wide.
That's what she said.
It's too thick.
That's what she said. I love that. And Lynn's whole desk illuminates when she talks.
It's to keep Nova's other hand secret.
Yeah, what now?
I've got a whole lemon in my hands.
Yeah, you can squish it.
No.
No, not
Just
not in a
squish.
lethal way.
No squish, just squimsh.
You won't.
Oh,
What?
I'm gonna. You wait. You're gonna get your squimshies.
Don't squish
Hey,
her.
no.
She's gonna fuck. No.
Alright, how cursed is this gonna look?
Everybody.
That's not too bad, but stretch will do.
What's everybody doing?
Not going to sleep.
Hey, me too. I was about to go sleep. I even said goodnight to the people I was talking to. And then I saw Nova live, and I was like, I'm going to be a menace on stream.
Oh my.
Because I'm severely sleep deprived.
I would expect nothing less.
How
I
dare you?
appreciate catness.
I'm gonna menace these. I don't know what that
Damn.
means. Damn. Dabs on Eileen. We need more Eileen samples.
Oh no.
We removed the no you.
Oh, good.
No, you.
Mm-hmm. He's upside down, look at him.
Exclamation mark kick.
Exclamation mark sleep.
Sneak.
Oh my
Nice
god, I
friend.
wish that would work.
Oh, that'd be so good.
Same.
Yes, A Squared. Yuke does do music too. She actually made my stream starting, ending BRB stuff. This one.
Hey, I made that with Yuki as well.
You,
I
Cat,
made the
Cat made the overlay
thingy.
or the underlay.
Words.
Overlay.
I did the thing. I did the thing.
The thing.
I swear, since seeing you have that music with your countdown counting in seconds, I so want to change it to be 120 BPM instead of
Aw.
like whatever it was, 118 or something, so that it ticks down in time with the seconds instead of getting out of sync with the music. I
Pat,
didn't
pat.
realize there was going to be like a countdown timer.
Sorry for the yawns.
Yawn.
How
yawn.
dare you make a cute sound in our ears, cat?
Exactly.
I know.
You.
Too cute.
Friend. That wasn't me. You okay, friend?
No.
Okay. that's what I thought. That's why I asked. I felt that.
Aw.
I'm, re-
Maybe we should go to bed.
I'm relating very, very much to this.
Pat, pat.
Like, are you okay? I guess not. Nope. Poor friend. He's beanless. He's lacking the beans on the toast.
Beans on
Beanma.
toast. Honestly, they weren't that bad when I heated them up.
Oh my god. Mine
No,
were
God.
terrible because I had to eat them cold.
I'll heat your beans.
I don't
I'll
want
heat
that.
your beans.
Hey yo! Is that a promise?
Maybe.
Hey yo. I'm sending my beans to the USA. Can you promise you eat them?
Yes.
So if the wheel end up on them again, you have to eat them.
Can do.
Delicious beans.
I accept this mission.
Beanma.
It's not delicious, Fred. It's literally soft, like cold beans on soft bread at 9 a.m. in the morning with orange juice because that's the only thing I had to drink next.
What? This sounds like the breakfast of champions.
Yes, I was about to say it sounds like a typical British breakfast. Not gonna lie.
Which one?
Beans on toast and orange
Cold
juice.
beans on
Oh.
soft bread with orange juice. Don't yum at it.
I mean,
Cold,
you don't
cold
put
beans
the-
and limp bread.
Yeah, you gotta
bread.
have butter on it,
Soggy.
otherwise it goes soggy. I
You're
hate soggy
limp
bread.
bread. Your bread is limp.
Oh no. Oh, you said you wouldn't
That's why
tell
that's why he's not feeling good when you ask him
Just
if
made me
he's
spit on my keyboard.
What? Don't click on your keyboard,
Oh, no.
kids.
Oh no, Yuke's leaking.
She's licking beans. No, that sounds
She's
awful.
she's gonna choke on her spit in a minute and that's it. It's gonna be
Hallelujah.
over.
Oh, yee, fine. Yuki's leaking. Yeah, she's leaking beans. No, what?
Bean
Alcohol.
leaker. That's a username from the 360 era.
Leaky beans.
Which one?
Bean
Leaky
leaker.
beans? Oh no, that's such a League of Legends player name.
We're gonna make
The
a
fan made
League of
Sonic
Legends Smurf
Racing
account
game?
called Bean Leaker.
When? Is it like Mario Kart? Like, oh my god, I messed up something. You if I oh my god, don't. You if asked something in
Hiya.
Oh,
Fan-made Sonic racing game?
I do not know.
It's not Mario Kart but Sonic and made from Doom. What the heck is? I mean why not? But right now I'm too sleep deprived to play any games.
Yeah.
I'm just slowly letting life slip away from my body. And at some point I'm going to snore on stream.
Oh. Fun, fun. Oh my god.
Hi, Carrie.
Hey, Carrie.
Hi, Gary.
Oh my goodness, it's the key.
Oh,
It's
grief.
an
I'm trying to
expired
shorten the word kitty,
popsicle.
I can't do it.
Kitty.
The cur. The key.
It's the
I have to shorten everybody's names into a silly name, that's the rule, but it's hard to shorten.
How would the popsicle expired? That's why I keep asking. I never had an answer.
I might have just screwed everything up.
Uh-oh.
She
Oh
said-
dear. Oh
Oh
no.
no.
Control Z. Control Z. Control Z.
Wait. It's still salvageable, maybe. Maybe.
Anyway, yeah, it's 4 a.m. I really should go to get split. Do the thing
Do the
that
Ah yes,
makes me
this
not
is
awake.
this is definitely English words you're coming out of your mouth right now.
Blah 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 blah.
Hop, 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 hop.
I love the dog of wisdom. He's
Yes.
so wisdomy.
Yes.
Honestly, same.
Hapakapakata.
Baka, baka.
Ha! Wah, wah. What is this freaking this called? bunch of idiots. What? You what now, Enlin?
And then it's okay. And then it's okay. I got you.
What was that?
I got you, Edlin. It's okay.
No, Enlin
You're
is
gonna
having
be
a brain
okay.
aneurysm.
My eyes are leaking.
Your bean is leaking. Oh no.
Oh no! No, there's
Is
beans
it
everywhere.
contagious? There's beans. There's bean juice everywhere.
Oh my.
Juice my bean.
The letter,
Yo.
not on stream. Hakapakapapa.
Wait.
Yes, it's time to give Hush to a sub now.
Oh, hang on.
I'm sorry, Nova. I'm always causing this shit show every time.
The bean juice might be.
Appreciate. Much appreciate.
No, the bean juice might be leaking. Did you say?
That's what I said.
Well, otherwise, it's never had a special laugh on stream. Oh my god,
Wait.
it's so juicy.
Oh my god,
Good job.
heckin' bean juice.
You fucking bean.
Oh my god.
Not the full nut.
Alright,
The whole
half
bean.
nut it is.
Half nut.
Full bean.
Half nut.
Dudes. Oh. That was the start of it.
Oh my god.
God. Those heckin' dudes.
Not the dudes.
Why never liminal again?
Did we watch the, you know, the duck, like the yelling duck the yelling chickens singing Bohemian Rhapsody, no?
Oh, the heck.
And the toad singing.
Yeah, with the shrill toad.
Hold on. I think I have the toad somewhere. Hold on. I'm sorry in advance for it. It might be loud. I'm sorry in advance. I
Oh
don't know
no.
where it is. Toad. Oh, it's right there.
What?
It's Toad. It's singing.
Toad. Like, oh god, that was
Toad.
yeah, from Mario.
Yeah, Toad. You know,
Toad
the
should-
mushroom guy that has a frog name. Actually, a toad name.
Toad should stick to racing cars.
Wow, I thought you were about to say something completely different.
Oh my.
Like,
I would have been so fucked up. Whew. Oh, god damn it. Fuck, I tapped on the soundboard and it played a random sound. I'm sorry.
Ah,
No, I can't sleep now.
oh no.
It's your problem, yo.
Exclamation mark heck.
This.
No, you. No, you.
There we go.
I fucking love this one. I literally want my alarm in the morning to be this. It's literally like you have Enlin saying exterminate to the long yuk and the long yuk running away making this noise. Ah. What? How did you make that noise, Yuki?
It was from I can't remember. It was on some stream of mine. Fox Finale clipped it and sent it to me.
It's actually so funny. I love Yuk selling. My favorite one
I
is
don't know
Yuk
what I was
Toad.
doing.
You tag.
Toad Yuk is my favorite Yuk sound.
Alright.
Scroll. You break it, Nova?
I might have broke it. No, I don't I don't think I broke it.
think so, Sean. Is there any? Yeah.
If I do... Okay. So you'll probably see the top part.
I wish I was a bird.
I wish I was a bird.
Oh my god!
Tweet.
Quick man.
The state of being so tired that everything gets very silly. Streams very fluming. Yes, fluming.
Okay, no, I really am gonna go to bed.
You're
Fam.
filming?
No, you won't.
For real.
For real.
I will. Just watch me.
I'm watching.
Hello, everyone.
Everybody watch this one.
Watch these.
Hi.
Bye bye, friend.
Bye, friend.
Yeah.
Sleep well.
Have a good sleepies.
I'll
Don't leak
I'll
your
try.
bean.
Too late.
He's leaking his bean.
Mom.
And And we lost Freb. Gone forever.
He's gone forever.
My friend.
Oh no.
Oh no. Mlemmed forever. Much mlem. Alright.
It's television.
Yeah.
Television.
Hydrate will do. Yeah.
Yes, I got the yuknya.
Yeah.
First try.
Wait, I need to get the cat.
There's no cat meow.
Meow.
The cat don't meow.
Meow.
Hey.
Meow.
Never meowed.
No, but yeah.
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 Good. Also good. Yes.
Thanks for being
Yeah.
here, Freb. Heckin' hearts.
Fred.
Thanks for being Fred.
Hope you get some good sleeps.
Got it.
Got the cat. Hmm.
I love that.
I hope the things that I need are like using their unique names and not their path, because I just totally mucked up the path of everything.
Gasp.
I
Much
have no
gas.
idea what this means.
It means I am a potato.
Yeah.
No way. You're a dirty little Morris paper.
I had, at the moment when I said that, I had no idea what that was. Or what the context
potato.
was.
I also didn't know until I was told.
Fuck!
Wait, is
That's
that
not
an
this
actual
one. That's the Fred one. Where's the Nova one? You removed it.
It might be gone forever. You dirty little mouse piper.
I found it.
That'd be it.
Fred.
Uh,
How dare you say that, Nova?
I mean, you know, I just sort of,
Do I?
I have a way of speaking when I don't know what's going on.
If you,
Okay.
by that you mean you just talk lewd when you don't know what to do?
Yep. Pretty much.
Interesting. She defaults to seductive.
Yes.
Interesting.
You'd know,
What
wouldn't
was
you,
that?
Enlin?
What was
try.
that? It was a Nova raising a potato.
Rizzing a potato. Hell yes.
Raise my potato.
Hmm.
What's Annie doing?
I might be playing World of Warcraft. Yeah, I know.
I canceled my subscription today. Yesterday.
Well, mine ended yesterday, and I was gonna play Final Fantasy 14, and then Final
Blech.
Fantasy 14 wouldn't let me throw money at it, so I'm back to playing WoW.
Throwing money at people.
Look, sometimes you have to be a little forceful because they won't take the money.
That's what she said.
Oh my. Hmm.
Oh, I need to send something to Nova and then
Oh,
I upsetted my cat this morning.
Oh no.
Oh,
But it's a funny upset. I made a slurp noise when he was
Oh,
slurping
yeah.
himself. And he got upset at it. Yeah, I'll send you.
Oops.
I love the way he gives up and then sleeps.
Oh my god.
Chef Yuki.
I'm still tweaking this bot thingy. I typed asterisk picks up the long uke asterisk and it responded with I'll type it in the chat so you can see how it's
Aww. Cute cat.
Very
Got
much so.
upset.
oh wait, it's turned it into a emote, but okay. In the Twitch chat, I mean.
Yes.
It's cuter without Twitch changing the emote into one with closed eyes when it should be one with open eyes.
I think this layout is okay. More or less. This should have
These two shall pass.
this shoe. This shoe?
This shoe shall pass. This shoe shall fit my feet.
This shoe.
Fit my foot.
Feet. This shoe shall fit me.
This shoe for feet, for feet, shoe, feet, for feet, shoe. Haka paka.
Kappa, kappa.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Wait.
it's been a sad continuation.
What?
Cute. Batman.
Nuh-uh.
Can.
No.
Can.
Why is
No.
this? Oh my god. I
Miss
remember
my
that.
PTS.
That was a while ago.
Yeah, was it about 2 years or much? A year and a
Mhm.
half? More like a year, I say.
Back in the
No.
golden age.
Back my day,
Back in my day.
we didn't have all these fancy soundboards on Discord. We made our own soundboard.
That's true actually.
Yeah, actually, it's true.
Why is
And back my day, Annalyn was no cat girl. Was just
I
a weird
know.
witch.
Very weird.
Weird.
Kinda cringe.
heckin' cutie?
No.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Oh, that's not what I wanted.
What you drinking, Nova? Good soup?
I am. Yeah, it's soup. No, I mean kinda coffee bean soup.
Orange soup.
It's got a lot of peppermint mocha cream in it.
Ah, yes.
Nova, why'd you answer with that one? You're not actually drinking it.
Listen, it's like there's like almost
Ah,
half.
yes.
Almost half I drank.
No. That's a lie. I can see.
Hold on.
Wait.
Put your finger in it.
I'm gonna double check.
Oh well.
Over.
Later.
Slurp. Slurp.
She is gonna check. I'm gonna get in trouble. Here she is.
We heard the door. She's gonna ground Nova.
And then I swear.
And then put the finger in it. She did.
Oh, she's
Don't make Nova lick it. I knew it. I fucking knew it.
Stuck my finger in it. Yeah, I'm taste.
Yo. Oh no.
Too cute. She stuck her tongue out at me.
Huh? She blept too.
She blept.
She's a lemon after all.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she can do. Blem.
Mlem. Oh, that's not what I want.
This song's a banger.
Yeah. Seriously. Check out Internet Rain. She does really, really fun stuff. Lately, been doing a lot of breakcore stuff.
No, they're live as well. They're live right now.
Oh, hell
You
yeah.
were streaming this music over Discord so I could hear it.
Hi Silvers, really? How's your day going? Have more peoples? Yes, we have an Enlin, a cat, and a Yuki. They are super cute. Why is this sticking out?
Hello.
Hello.
Eating cup noodles and reading some manhwa. What? How do you pronounce that?
Cup noodles, manhwa. Like
Manhwa.
I think it's like Korean
Oh
manga.
yeah, I know those ones.
Mama.
Mama?
One version's Korean and the other is Chinese, and I can never remember which.
You're Chinese.
No.
Ni hao.
Ni hao. Ni hao is a really cute way of saying hello, I think. I like how it sounds.
It's kind of like Nyan.
One of the people seems familiar. Well, starting on the left, we've got an Enlin. And then we've got a cat. And then we've got a Yuki.
We should show a cat. But I'm not a cat. Yet I'm a cat.
You are a cat.
Y'all!
Did you just meow?
Y'all are cats. No, I said y'all.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm from Tex. I'm Texan, you know? Y'all are
I thought you
cat.
said meow.
Meow is cat. Yeah, I do express myself this way.
I'm not a cat. Meow.
Oh, I still want to say it. Yeef.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my god.
That was a wonderful nya.
We got nya.
Wait,
Yeah.
you just yeah.
Yeef.
That was yes.
Oh.
Wait, did you pop in
Yeah.
Yes,
and yod?
they did.
Aw.
They nyad. Don't know if it was demo or soundboard, but it sounded nice.
Yeah. If we drive by, hell yeah.
Cute.
Wait, what is this? How do you say nya in Japanese? In Chinese?
Yeah.
Nya.
Do you say how do you say nya in Japanese?
Nah, I said in Chinese. I'm in Chinese.
Thanks for the
Oh no,
resub,
it's Snipe. I
Snipes.
need to go sneaks. Snipe sneaks. He's
Sleep
gonna
on.
yell at me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And is cringe.
Yes.
Oh god.
Yes, even.
What? That was what it was. It was the
Check your
position.
bed. No, you're my dad. Come make me. Come in your bed. What if I'm already in my bed though? What you gonna do about it?
Hmm.
Put me in the bed that is inside my bed? I don't think so.
Imagine if you had a bed on your
No.
bed.
Why would I do that? Why would I even imagine it?
I mean,
The bunk bed?
I was
and
about to say, let's be sure
it's
that's
pretty
horrible.
much a bunk bed. But listen, what if it was like cooler than bunk beds?
Like a bunk bed with the bananas. That's cooler than a normal bunk bed, isn't it? I don't know why I
A
said
banana.
bananas.
Yeah, cat banana bed.
Cat banana bed?
Yeah, cat banana bed. Hold on.
Which cat?
That like just any cat.
You know what we need to know about a strawberry bed
Oh my god, we need strawberry bed.
to
But
go
yeah,
with Anlin, or should I say maple strawberry chair.
strawberry chairs. Oh my.
Oh my
What is
gosh.
this banana bed? What
It's
is
a
this?
banana bed.
Why is there? Alright, I have so many questions. Why is there a tiny cat in a tiny banana bed in the background? Also, why is this picture on the wall? Oh no, that's this cat as well on the wall. And why is there a mouse trap? I mean, a mouse hole.
Cause it's.
And where does that come from? Who made that? That's a masterpiece.
I know, right? I made it a long while ago.
Why did I
and
never saw that?
I don't know. But yeah, it was. So this little cat up here, was the inspiration, and it was that like turn a cat into an anime girl challenge, and I used this cat in a banana bed. And so
It's not a banana bed. You know what it is? It's a freaking hot tub. It's a bathtub.
a banana tub.
It's a banana tub. It sounds
Hell
awful.
yeah.
Banana tub sounds like Orange YouTube, you know? Version of like. Have you checked out the last video I uploaded on Banana Tub?
Nice.
Could you believe? Nice, she says. How you doing? Hello, hello. My banana tub.
Banana tub.
She brings all the boys to the yard. Oh, I need to sleep.
Oh, pat pat.
I also don't want to sleep.
Oh,
Wait a second.
My cat is becoming a pigeon.
Oh no, pigeon. cat.
relatable.
It's pigeon. You're becoming a pigeon?
You know, sometimes you
Can you
just
pigeon
wanna
or
find
stop pigeoning around? Are you pooping on the floor?
I think I fixed it.
quite frequently.
What?
Ew. What?
I'm sorry, what the fuck did I just hear? Did you clean your guano?
Listen, I know how much you like to collect poop.
Fuck off, I do not. That is untrue.
Yep, rainy day. You got it right. I'm gonna do this.
Cat the poop collector. Why is this a meme? Why is this something? Have I been here
So
long
much.
enough that I start to recognize the guest? That's Emlyn Cat, and the third one is Yuki. It is you. A rainy day tomorrow? Oh no, again?
It is me.
You're a rainy day?
No. I was responding to Rainy.
Day.
Such rain.
Just to be sure though, you should shout them out again. Don't shout me out.
Alright,
I mean, you know, I can do this.
How dare you? I'm gonna fart if you shout me out.
I mean,
What was that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who died in its own saliva? That was so funny. Oh, it's
That was my best imitation.
Ah, you did it too.
Where is the library?
I
The
thought you-
library's back.
Yeah, I did it when I came in. That's what she said. Sorry, I had to do it to myself. That's what she said.
Uh-huh. Thanks, Silvers.
What do you mean, yeah?
Yeah, can recommend all of them.
Meow.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
I don't actually stream.
Says
Huh?
Why the fuck are
streamed
you lying? Why
just a
you
little bit
always
ago.
lying? I do not stream, yet you have a full-on commission PNG tuber and 3D model.
Look, I just like throwing money at my favorite artists.
Where is the library?
Keep doing it, please. I'm kidding.
I need emotes next.
Huh?
Huh?
No way. I love doing emotes. I actually do.
Emotes are pretty fun.
Especially that and Nina's emote might be super cute.
Stretch.
Yes.
Can't wait for you to commission somebody else.
Nope.
Oh no. Meadow, I can't do anything else but pet you, so... that's fine. I hope you don't hear him too much. He's showing me his butt, because he wants spankies.
Oh my. Alright.
Which you want mine?
Where is
But you
the
can-
library?
Where is that library?
My favorite emote is this one.
The butt? Yeah, so I asked Kat for a tail, and the saint that she is, she just was like, you know what? Nova needs a butt. So I can put
No.
one on there.
I actually put the butt in and was like, lol, look, it's a butt. And Nova was like, I kinda like that. I was like, okay. A butt it is.
Hmm. I like butts.
That's a hecking butt.
She does.
Yep, I do.
I do like butt too.
Butts are the best bit.
Best bit is the butt.
Hmm.
That's a nice tongue twister. No, that's what she said.
A tongue twister in the butt.
Don't twist your tongue in the butt yet. We're on twitch.tv.
Oh no! Hey, I put
Oh my God.
the sexual themes thingy on here.
No,
We're-
so
we're-
you can
we're fine.
twist your tongue in the butt.
Yeah.
now, then I guess so.
Yeah, I mean, we can't. I mean, we can't do it on stream. We can talk about it.
We can talk about twisting our tongue in the butt.
Hmm.
Whose butt though?
I mean, you know.
No, I'm asking the question.
Nova volunteers as tribute.
Alright, and then it is.
I wouldn't complain.
Oh,
Hell yeah.
I mean, understandable.
Hmm.
Me taking notes for for future arts.
She's got a nice butt.
Hello?
Can confirm.
I can't. Haven't seen it. I can't draw it though.
Hmm.
That's my new superpower. I realized that if somebody is annoying to me, I was like, stop. I can make you have sex with your mother. Well, that's fucked
Oh my
up.
gosh.
That's not why. Alright, saying it, I realized it was a bit too far. I wouldn't do that, but I would threaten somebody to do it. I wouldn't do it, but I would threaten someone to do it. because they're mean to me. You know what I mean? I have the power to do it. It doesn't mean I will do it. It's like Thanos. He can destroy the universe. He doesn't do it. It's just half of it.
I was in the middle of swallowing when you said that.
Oh no. I'm sorry you couldn't swallow. I know how much you
Too good. Alright, music is going away for just
What? Music
a bit.
died!
It's not dead. It's getting rebuilt.
My music.
It's going to be more powerful.
No way.
Yeah.
Like the Incredible Hulk. He's more powerful. Nova, where's music? Oh my god, it's music.
Okay.
Can't start singing first? I can't sing.
But then where
Last
did
time I
where did
sang
it
on
go?
Discord, I annoyed Dara and Yuki.
Nonsense.
you cannot
weren't there.
hear the music?
I can.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Oh, Yuki. Completely off topic. Are you still okay to mix the cover we'll do with Bishop?
Yep.
Let's go. I still don't know what song it's gonna be, but might have an idea.
Okay. As long as I can, like,
Oh,
you know, remove the vocals from it well.
Yeah, you
The
should
original.
find. I think there is actually a way of getting an instrumental version without, like, already
Yeah.
cleaned. So
Yeah. Oh, you mean like official?
yes,
Oh, okay.
but if not, I'm sure
But I'll
we're
try
gonna
the
figure
thing.
something out. Have the technology. Oh my god, I can't talk. The technology.
okay. Oh my gosh. I think I sized it perfectly. Hell yes, it fits now.
There's a joke there, but I'll let it pass.
That's what she said.
I mean, I'm not the one. I mean, I doesn't.
Huh?
I can fit most stuff.
What?
I mean, listen.
She's multi-size.
I don't have.
She's
I don't
a
have.
universal plug.
I'm a one size fits all, or all. I fit all size. I don't.
You're
I don't know where I'm
a
going with
universal socket.
this. Yep.
Any size fits one rather than one size fits all.
Exactly. Yes, that's what I'm trying to say. Point is,
No, all size fit. No, never mind.
Nasty.
it is deep. It's pretty damn deep.
It goes pretty deep.
What? I mean, ending saying this makes my brain tingle for some reason. It's just like my brain's like neuron activation. You know the monkey meme? Well, every time ending says something lewd, it's like neuron activation. It's like, huh?
Yep,
Hey yo.
it feels good.
Hold on. Hold on a second. Hold your horses, lady.
Hmm.
Not on Twitch.tv. We can't do that. That's actually an offense. How dare you have some fun?
How
Oh,
dare
wow.
you have enjoyment?
Yeah, it's not something you do like that in
Yeah,
front of everybody.
I mean, never.
I never had fun. I
Never.
wouldn't dare.
Never in front of people online.
You're lying. I've seen Novan Liminenlin.
Well, I think I have it sized correctly now. The next part is to figure out how to get it to actually like. So right now I've got kind of actually. Right now I've got all of the songs just hard coded. So they're just loading directories full of songs that are formatted in a certain way. Very much a shortcut to get this to work as much as it is. However, I would like to be able to, like a normal music player, you can add music to it from other sources.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That'd be
like
nice.
fetch them.
So
Me acting like I understand shit.
I think you kind of got it though. Like,
Yeah,
right,
yeah, but I'm like, oh yeah, I know what you mean. It's just gonna do this. No freaking idea how it does it.
I mean, same though.
I press button, music plays, I feel good.
Exactly.
Nice. Life is good.
Perfect.
That is the way.
This is the way.
Fetch my songs. Exactly.
Okay, at some point in the future, we need to watch all of Barney B's videos. Again, that was
Yes.
really
We
out of
do.
nowhere,
Yes.
but
Freaking do. We freaking do.
They are so good.
Where is the library?
Where is that library? I'd actually be down for like a Saturday viewing even. Just like,
hell yeah.
Oh, neat. Oh, we could do it in VR chat. Like in a cozy place and watch it.
that would be fun. Hell yeah.
Like a couch session. Not, like, I mean,
We're getting a new couch.
It's true.
Oh.
Tomorrow.
Yep, tomorrow, and then I get a new couch. We went out
Is it
couch
black?
shopping. It is.
okay.
I mean, you know.
Understandable. Yeah, you don't see the... Is it in leather?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. I
Yep.
understand the choice. That's a very cultured choice.
It is.
It's easy to clean.
Yep.
All kind of fluids.
Yep. But yeah, we went out and butt tested a bunch of couches, and
But tested
Yeah.
with your tongue twisting technique. Interesting.
I didn't think the butts are the things being tested.
But
No, it's a butt.
But no,
Quiet.
Oh my god, Yif is at
Yif.
200% for me, and that butt literally vibrated through my skull.
through my skull.
Right by Yif, but
oh, Yif got a new microphone, so that's probably why.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so you
oh
can
yeah,
keep
true. I remember
yeah,
that.
you can keep her at probably 100% now, and she should come through nice.
What if I want her to be at 200% in my brain?
Oh my.
Please don't. Please don't yell. I'm the only one allowed to yell. No.
yeah.
That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. I was quick. I right clicked quick and I put it at 100. I mean, I don't mean it. If it's not it, I meant the cursor.
Gotcha. The
It.
later Snapes.
Good. Snipes, have
With
fun.
knives.
You probably won't have fun, but good luck working if you work.
Oh,
and good
Snapes,
luck
are you going to
sleeping if you
work
sleep.
without sleep?
Oh my
I
god,
think
good
it's
luck,
mornings.
Snipe.
I think
Oh,
Snipes
Papa.
just woke up.
Snape said
Didn't Snipe?
no sleep.
Oh, no sleep. Yep, it's work time. Wow,
Aw.
Snipe, you better have a freaking nap. And I better not see you on my stream tomorrow. I will just
say
tell
good-
you I told you
say
so. I will just tell you to go sleep because I'm not your mother.
Go sleep. Or go
No,
work.
no.
Then go sleep.
No, yeah, you go work first, then sleeps. Drink some monsters.
And water. I should be drinking water. What the hell? Overclocking your if we can get more juice, but really just Sneebs.
What?
If we juice. We've come back full circle. Get some bean juice.
I'm tired of hiccuping. I have you disease.
Oh no, the hiccups.
The hiccup.
The hiccups.
I keep hicking my head. I'm sorry for the big noise that's coming out of my microphone if you hear it. It's like morning street cleaners going out.
This is strip cleaners.
Yeah, strip cleaners after the tongue twisting, but no, street cleaners. It's like big
Yeah, I know.
big trucks. Like,
Ah,
Wait,
they've been coming around lately. Right when I'm trying to sleep.
no, I'm puking rainbow.
At the
Like-
crack of 10 a.m.
I gotta love when you clean the crack, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Crack. Oh my.
Grab yourself a tea.
I will.
Well, I'm going.
I intend to.
Actually, I'm going right now. I'm gonna grab it right now. And then sneaks up on you and pokes your butt.
Mm-hmm. But honestly, on that note, I might.
You
You
might crack some butt.
said a promise.
Yes. I'm gonna grab your booty.
Hey yo, you sound like Fred. That was such a Fred sentence. I don't know why. The full intonation and everything. It was so funny. It was a very Fred sentence.
Nice. Well, I think rather than
Squeezing Yuki.
squeeze.
Stop squeezing you. Sorry, I keep interrupting you. Never finish.
Oh, I'll finish. But no, sorry. I think I'm gonna find somebody to raid. I think because the next step to this is getting it to load files and URLs and stuff, and that's my brain is not.
Just show me on stream. Alright, Colors is done, chat. I can't be ass shading. Bye.
Bye.
I mean,
Where is the
honestly,
library?
that's kind of it.
Yes. It's like I've done all that shit. Now I have another stuff to do. Let's stop
Bye.
now.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
Yif. Thanks again for the raid, Yif. Also, let's see who's on. Oh. I
Alright,
see.
John.
Yep, I was just gonna say, we can go bring this silliness over to Aaron.
Hey everyone, remember Aaron likes it if you donate exactly 1 bit.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you such a chaos agent?
You should, I mean, this is team friendly.
Yeah, and then he's just the type of person to sneak, I don't know, salt into somebody else's yogurt thinking and make them believe it's sugar. I can't cope.
I feel like salted yogurt might not actually be that bad.
Alright, Go eat your beans on toast and never talk to
I'm
me.
gonna. Just because you
Yeah.
said that.
Remember to pair it with limp bread.
Why?
No,
Limp bread
Huh?
just sounds so bad.
it is bad.
Limp bread.
Would you prefer soggy bread?
Slather your beans all over that limp bread.
What?
I'm sorry, my brain is silly. Let's go raid Aaron before it's too late.
Alright.
Alright.
Looks like
thank
we're
you all for
eating
being
good
here.
tonight.
I appreciate you all. Thanks, Simon. Thanks,
Thank you
Cap.
for-
Thanks, you for all hanging out.
You're welcome. I did nothing about. Instead of just rambling and saying nonsense for about an hour.
I mean, that's what it's all about, right? That's how streaming is done.
Oh shit, I've been doing it wrong this whole actually. I've been doing it pretty right actually if it's that.
All right, you are all amazing. Everybody. Oh, if you go into
you.
to Aaron, you can either do hi.
Don't
Or-
go into
or
it,
hi.
and I'm not sure he's gonna like that.
I mean, when you go into Aaron's stream, say hi. Aaron likes it when
Hi.
you say hi, and then also like and said donate a bit if you want to.
Oh my god, I know exactly what I'm gonna do when I arrive on Aaron's stream.
Hell yeah!
It's gonna be glorious.
All right,
Also fuck you, Helen.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being Yuki, Yuk.
Oh, thank you for being cat.
bye
Thank you
everybody.
Hi.
You can
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.